Are you seeking a comprehensive payroll training course in the UK? Welcome to Guardian's Training, your ultimate destination for mastering payroll management and processes. Enroll in our extensive course to unlock a multitude of exciting career prospects. From calculating employee wages to handling statutory payments and generating payroll reports, our payroll training course covers a wide range of vital topics. Gain a competitive edge by combining critical theoretical concepts with practical skills. Learn to use payroll softwares like Sage, Xero, and QuickBooks. Stay compliant with legal and regulatory requirements. Become a payroll specialist, HR generalist, or a vital part of any organization's finance team. We offer certifications upon completion, enhancing your employability and client service. Enroll now at Guardian's Training and excel in the dynamic field of payroll management.